Yo, what up? It's Chris, Blackland Ownership, out here doing some furniture and some pretty kind of simple outdoor benches. But in order to do so, gotta first chainsaw like a kind of waffle pattern so it'll be easy to cut out. But I still gotta get the hatchet working. And we'll go back to the chainsaw to even it out once I get the big chunks out. Now what I don't want to do is pop this out, which I've done in the past. Controlled hatchet, which is not necessarily my strong point. And I also don't want to cut out the bottom lip. Or hit myself with the axe, of course. Having trust in the left hand is difficult, but gotta start. Alright, cool. Now clean that up with the chainsaw. We'll go to this side. You can see already did the waffle pattern here. Chip it out. Pattern here. Chip it out. Actually, I'll show you from above what this looks like. Let me flip the... Oh, wrong thing. Okay. Alright. So I'll show y'all once I get through this part what we're building out here. clean up over here. All right, and so what we're doing is building another one of these. Go up there. This is one of the tables that I'm working on right now. This is a bench, or no, seat I'm working on. Carving that out, and then this is kind of a wood table / sculpture with a prosthetic leg over there. All right, so putting in work up here, Chisels and Ginger. We'll holla.